guys? My name is George, coming at you guys live straight from EP3 Auto Body Repair. We're located in South Chicago Heights, Illinois. We're gonna bring you guys a brand new series starting with this 07 Chevy Silverado 1500. So we actually got this truck from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's about 3 hours away from where we're at right now. Took that drive, found what most people would consider a piece of junk, but for us, it's definitely a good project truck. This truck came with a 4.3 V6 originally, but the previous owner put this 5.3 in and a Holley, stage 2 cam, and long tube headers. The wiring's a mess, the windshield's cracked, this bed needs to be swapped. It's definitely had an accident. As you can see from looking at the bed, it's completely deformed. Not only is that side all dinged up, this is deformed right here, and so is the wheel well right here. So instead of trying to repair this, we're just gonna swap the whole thing. We're probably looking at least 1,000 if we're lucky. 2 is a pretty regular, decent price. With that being said, you guys, what do you guys think we should do to Smurf? Should we install a turbo, supercharger, replace the exhaust system, drop it, level it, raise it? Let us know in the comments below. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.